The sun's so bright! I can't see my phone screen at all.
It looks like you're having some troubles, friend.
Who's there? I can't see anything. What's going on?
Don't worry. I have a solution just for you. Ta-da! I have a box head just for you. There you go. Now you can enjoy the shade inside the box. There's even a spot for your phone so you won't have to hold it.
This video is so funny! I love it! It's my new fave. I can't believe they just did that to the teacher!
A job well done. I knew it would work because cardboard can do anything.
Yes! I've got more money that I can add to my savings jar! I can't wait until I've saved enough to afford a new puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppies are the best. I should start thinking of a name. Oh my! It's too dusty in this room. Huh? Huh? Achoo! My purse! Oh, come back! Oh no! This is getting even worse! Please stop falling! Oh no! There it goes! Over the edge! Oh my, oh no, it cracked right open. Grandma, what happened to my puppy savings jar? Don't worry, Granny can fix this. I just need some cardboard. There. But I need a couple more of these to make some layers. And then I'll add some paint because we want it to be pretty too. Now for this circular piece, I'm gonna need some hot glue. And the doggy can sit right on top of it. Good boy. Next up, I'll add a jar right here with a slit in the lid. Now feed the doggy. Oh my gosh! Look at the coin! It's going right down to the jar! Yes! It made it inside with the rest of the coins! Ooh! It's so hard getting into the door like this! Phew! I made it! Oh my gosh! Honey! What happened to you? Oh well, I was playing soccer. Can't believe how fast I was running after that ball. Okay, and then what happened? Well, then I was fighting over the ball with one of their forwards. She was a tough one. But I knew what I was doing. I got the ball away from her. Then I was driving it down the field. And then… well, I tripped. On my own ankle. And down I went. And we lost the game because of that! All because I fell! Ugh! I'm so angry! Oh, I feel so bad for her. She loves playing soccer. Yep, I have a solution. Okay, let me take this pizza box and open it up like this. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Okay, now that the pizza's fully eaten, I can start to tape up these corners. Great! Let's add some green paper to the bottom. Now for some decorations. I really want this to look like a soccer field. Next up, straws. I'll bend them, slide them together, and then put them in place with some glue. Let's add some stadium decorations to make it look fun. Okay, this straw's for you, and this one for me. Now blow! Oh, I'm gonna getcha. You'll have to blow harder than me to beat me. Ooh, you almost had me! But I've got great defense! No way am I gonna let you win this! Yes! Goal! I win! Alright, time for a rematch then. Let's go! No one's looking, so now's my chance to get a snack. Ugh, why is this bag so difficult to open? Come on, I need snacks! Oh no! The bag's split in half! There go all my hopes and dreams for a tasty snack.
Hey look! Free candy! Let's get it!
Stop! That's my candy! Get out of here! Oh, there's one left for me! Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? This is so frustrating. Oh gosh, everyone stole all her candy. Maybe I can help her. What the heck are you doing? Psst! Hey, I've got a solution to your candy problem. Take a look at this. It's my little piggy. Go on, push his nose. See? It's a candy dispenser. I'll show you how I made him. I started with some pieces of cardboard like this. Then I attached 3 more. Then I added this base piece. This next part requires more cardboard, of course. But also some small dowels. We need this shape, another dowel, and 2 small rubber bands. This is now ready to go inside the box we're building. It should fit easily. I'm gonna slide it down and hook the rubber band on these dowels here. I'm using some tweezers to help make it a little easier. Don't forget to set the rubber band on the other side too. Then I push it back and the candy slides right out. Great! Now let's cover it up and add some little ramps pointing down. We'll want to cover the front too so it's prettier. We're on the home stretch. I added this plastic case to hold the candy. And then a cute little lid so the candy doesn't spill everywhere. Look! It even pops open so you can put in more candy when needed. Ooh! Look at how delicious it is. Close the lid and then it's time to add some decorations. Wow! First off, this candy's great! But secondly, that pig is so cute! Alright, I better scooch back over to my desk now. Vroom, vroom, vroom! I'm totally gonna win this race! No one can stop me now! Bye, Susan. I'll see you for our lunch next week. Gosh, what a fun afternoon. It's always nice hanging out with friends. Mom put her car keys right over there! Well, I guess I better start getting dinner ready. What if I… just sneak a little closer. She can't see me behind these flowers. What was that noise? It sounded suspicious. Huh, no one's there. Time to switch from flowers to this bigger fern! Yoink! Tiptoe, tiptoe, tippy-toe! I'm here! I got the car keys! Wow, real keys! Time to drive a real car! Woo! Best day ever! Ugh, let me go! I wasn't driving that fast!
Ma'am, are these yours?
Oh no! Not my baby! And not my car! Ugh, okay. I just need to do something else to get my car racing fix. I've got this piece of cardboard, so let me cut out some shapes. And now it's time to add some glue on top like this. And then the bottom. I'm gonna stick another matching piece on top. Good. And now I'll just do the same thing with the glue as before. Adding a third piece on top to do it. This one has no hole in the middle. What's the next step? More glue, of course. And then putting another piece of cardboard on that one too. There we go. That should finally be enough layers for this project. Now it's time to add some paint, because that's the most fun part. I really love this orange color. It's so bright and pretty. And done. I'm putting a phone case in there. I measured beforehand, so it's a perfect fit. We've got more cardboard pieces and more glue now. And of course we'll be putting them together for more layers. This next part is a bit tricky because I want this piece glued at an angle like so. And then I just need for it to dry. Once it does though, I can paint it. Time to put it all together. It'll just slide in place with this battery. Ta-da! I made my own steering wheel holder for my phone. Vroom, vroom! Yeah, I'm in first place! No one can catch me! This is the best game ever! And the best steering wheel, too! Vroom! Whoa, look at her bouncing that basketball! She's really good at dribbling. Look, she's taking a shot! Oh, no way! The ball rolled right over to me! Now's my chance! I can be a basketball star, too! What the heck is she doing with my ball? Yeah! Check out these killer baller moves! What the? Oh no! Here she comes! I'm taking the shot! Here it comes! Yes! It wasn't even close. Anyway, this is my ball, so that's enough out of you. Find something else to do. What? Why does she have to be so mean? She thinks she's so good just because she can actually play basketball. Hey, look at this! I can definitely use this. Let me just set out this piece of cardboard. And now it's time to get crafty. I'll just put a line of hot glue down the tube just like this. And then I can press it to this flat piece on the ground. And then I'll attach these little strips in a sort of V shape. The other end of the tube is going right into this hole I cut in the box. Next up, a hoop, because you can't really play basketball without one. I'll use this plastic bag as a net. I'll just have to snip off the bottom though so the ball falls through. My basketball is totally deflated. But hey, cardboard can fix that too. Alright, time to practice my b-ball skills so I can get better. Yes! My first basket on my new setup! It's working! Another basket! Woo! I'm the best! Party time! Dance party! Let's live it up! Phew, it's hot in here. I could use a break, I think. No room on that couch. And those beanbags are taken. Well, I guess I'll just try and make some space for me. Hey, come on! What are you doing? We're sitting here. Oh, shoot, I fell down. Guess there's not room for me after all. Hey, what's going on over there? Oh shoot, this bottle's empty. Better get rid of it. That whole trash bin is full of empty soda bottles. Just need to dig a bit more. Yes! I totally have a great idea. I've got all these bottles in a cardboard box. I've just gotta organize them so they'll all fit in here. Perfect! Now I can just close this box up. And then I'll tape it shut to make sure it stays closed too. Hey, toss me that pillow, will ya? Thanks! This'll work perfectly. And then a little rug over the top too. And then side. Now to put my sewing skills to the test. Got it! Just gotta stitch these little rugs together now. Okay, that should be good enough. Let me just snip off the extra. Alright, I totally made my own seat. And it looks cute too. Time to get this and me back to the party. I just love my little seat so much. But I need a snack too. Let's see. Do I want something to eat or something to drink? Something to drink for sure. Hey! That guy totally just took my seat! Ugh!
Oh, thanks. I do want a trip.
Have you ever made anything out of cardboard?
Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.